Good morning, students. Today we are going to use these type of application problems. Express the following as a sum or difference. See question number 1. Sin 40 degree cos 30 degree. We have to relate this one in the previous formulas. Already we discussed it. Listen, we have a formula like this: sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Relate this one: sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. These type of formulas we already derived very well. So see here, the question is express the following as a sum or difference. See in your RHS side, it is the product, sin a cos b as the product. Now see 2 sin a cos b. Suppose this 2 is not given. See the question, 2 is not given. It will be divided by here. So now I can write like this: sin a, instead of a 40 degree, cos b, instead of b 30 degree. Consider this is an angle A, this is an angle B. Relate with this one. This product can be expressed as the sum or difference. That is the question. So given is product, answer must be sum or difference. Now listen, sin of, that means here 2 is not given, therefore it will be half. Sin of a plus b, sin of a is 40 degree. Now b is 30 degree. Then plus, see here plus. Then sin of a minus b. A is here, once again a is 40. Minus b is, see here, minus b is 30. Now if we are simplifying this one, we can get half into sin of 40 plus 30 becomes 70 minus, plus sin of 40 minus 30 we can get 10. So the given is sin 40, now cos 30. So understand the question. Here given is product. The resultant is either it may be sum or it may be difference. See here, addition. So it is then nothing but the sum. Therefore, the given should be in the form of product. The resultant must be in the form of sum or the difference. So explain the question. First understand the question. What is the given data? So sin 40 cos 30. Immediately you have to relate this one with the corresponding formula. This is the corresponding formula. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equal to 2 sin a cos b. See here, this is product. This is product. So given data is product, the resultant is sum or it may be difference. Just apply, then simplify, you can get the result. In the same model, we are going to work out many questions related this one. Now, the same model, either it may be sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b or negative. See the second question. Question number 2, cos 110 degree, then sin 55 degree. This is the second question. Cos 110 degree, sin 55 degree. So we are having one more formula that's related with the same one. We are having sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. This is related with the 2 cos a sine b. So you have to relate the given data. See the given data, cos with the sine. Cos with the sine, you can get 2 cos A sine B. Now select that one. Cos A is replaced by 110 degree. Then sine B is replaced by 55 degree. That means this half we can get here. That means avoiding these two we can get half here. Sine of A plus B. See the resultant, sine of A plus B. A means here 110. This is A, this is B. A means here 110 minus, first plus, then B is 55. In between minus, sine of A minus B. A is 110 minus B is 55. Now simplify this one. We can get cos of 110 sine 55. Cos of 110 sine 55. This is now in the form of product. See the resultant now, half into sine of 110, again add with a 55, 110 we can get 165. Then in between you can get negative symbol. Then sine of 110 minus 55 we can get 55. We can get 55. Now listen, you have to relate this one. This is in the form of cos A sin B. Cos and sine mixer. Therefore, you can relate this one. Sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. So select this one. Cos A is replaced by 110. Cos B sin B. Sin B is replaced by 55. Therefore, it is equal to half. Suppose here 2 is given, then take the formula directly. Here 2 is not given, then it will become half. Sine of A plus B. A is 110, B is 55. Adding these two, we can get 165. Sine of A minus B. 110 minus 55, we can get sine of 55. Now listen, the third question in the same model. So the given data is product. The given data is product. The result must be either sum means addition, or difference. Difference means you can get the negative symbol. See question number 3. Sine of x by 2. Sine of x by 2. Then cos of 3x by 2. Sine of x by 2. Then cos of 3x by 2. Now relate with this one. The given data is sine A cos B. Sine A cos B. When we are able to get sine A cos B, just now I explained sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. It will produce 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B. Now take this one. So sine A cos B, we want to find sine A cos B. This 2 will comes to the other side, it will get 1 by 2. That means sine of x by 2 cos of 3x by 2. So sine of x by 2 cos of 3x by 2. Consider this is A, this is B. Therefore equal to half into this 2 go to the other side, we can get half. Sine of A plus B. Sine of A is x by 2. Sine of A plus B. B is 3x by 2. B is 3x by 2. Then cos B. So that means here positive, here take this one, positive. Sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B. A is here x by 2 minus B is 3x by 2. So select this one. 2 sine A cos B is equal to half into sine of, select this one, sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Now we have to simplify this one. Half into sine of, see here, 3x plus x, 4x divided by 2, we can get 2x. 4x by 2, we can get 2x. Now here plus, see here, x minus 3x by 2. X minus 3x means we can get minus 2x, again divided by 2. Therefore, we can get sine of minus x. We already well known this formula, half into sine 2x. Sine n is a negative because it is an odd function. So we can get minus sine x. We can get minus sine x. See here, sine of x by 2, cos of x by 2. Relate with the basic formula. This is the required basic formula. Sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b equal to 2 sine a cos b. So relate with this one. Sine a is x by 2 here. Cos b is 3x by 2. Then apply the formula. Instead of a plus b, add the two elements. In between plus sine of a minus b. Subtract the two elements. See here positive. But the final step gets a negative. So this is the difference. See sum number 4 in the same process. Once again, you are having many problems related to this one. Verify your questions in your book and work out all the data. Now, sine 35 cos 28. Sine 35 cos 28. Now relate with this one. Sine A cos B is equal to, hereafter directly apply the idea. Sine A cos B means it is equal to half into sine of A plus B. Sine cos means sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. This is the relation. Sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. That means you can get 2 sine A cos B in your result. Now we don't want the 2, so that we can get half. Now relate with this one. Sine 35 cos 28 is equal to half into sine of, what is now A plus B? A is 35, B is 28. Then plus sine of A minus B. A is 35 minus B is 28. So if you are simplifying, half into sine 35 8, adding with 5 we can get 3, 2 and 3 5, so that's 63. Sine 63 plus here sine 35 minus 28 we can get 7. So here summation. Therefore all the questions, if you are converting, we can get sum or the difference only. You are able to derive sum or the difference. Now once again, sum number 5. Sum number 5 here. You are going to work out sum number 5. Sine 4x, then cos 2x. Sine 4x, cos 2x. Again we are working the same condition. Sine A cos B. If you are getting, we want to find sine A cos B, we can get half into sine of A plus B, then plus sine of A minus B. We are using the same concept many times. Now sine A is replaced by 4x, cos B is replaced by 2x. This is A, then this is equal to B. Now you can get half into sine of A plus B. Just add the two values, 4x plus 2x. 4x plus 2x. Again plus sine of 4x minus 2x. So we can get half into sine of 6x. Here 4x minus 2x, we can get sine of 2x. So we are getting the addition. Addition is nothing but the sum or the difference idea. This is sum number 5. Again the same model. Sum number 6. And we are having 7 questions in this model in your book. Now listen, sum number 6. We can get 2 sine 10 theta. 2 sine 10 theta. And cos 2 theta. Now listen, here we are getting 2. So already we are having 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. See, this is A. This is B. Now the relation is one time sin family, another one is cos family. So sin A cos B. That means it is equal to sin of A plus B, then plus sin of A minus B. So this is the general information. 2 sin A cos B is always the resultant. Suppose here 2 is not given, it will be 1 by 2. Now we are getting 2 sin A cos B. Now instead of sin A 10 theta, cos B 2 theta, that is equal to sin of A is 10 theta, then plus B is 2 theta, again plus sin of A minus B. A is 10 theta minus B is 2 theta. So if you are simplifying, we can get sin of 10 plus 2, 12 theta here, then plus sin of 10 minus 2, we can get 8 theta. We can get 8 theta. Once again, the resultant is sum. Again, the same model. One more question. Sum number 7. Sum number 7. Now listen. Cos 5 theta. Again, cos 2 theta. Now result. Think about the result. The given product is in the form of cos A cos B. Now we are having a formula like this: 2 cos A cos B. When we are getting 2 cos A cos B, that means cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 cos A cos B, we can get the result cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. We can get 2 cos A cos B. So now cos A is replaced by 5 theta, then cos B is replaced by 2 theta. That means we can get half here. The given data not having 2, therefore this 2 will be divided by. So 1 by 2. Now cos of A plus B. See here, A is here 5 theta plus B is 2 theta. Then plus again cos of A minus B. A is 5 theta, B is 2 theta. Now if you are simplifying, we can get half into cos of 5 plus 2, we can get 7 theta. Here cos of 5 minus 2, we can get 3 theta. We can get 3 theta. Once again the result is summation. So the concept is all the result given question is in the form of product. The result must be in the form of either sum or difference. Sum means addition, difference means subtraction. One more question we are having: sin 5 theta, then sin 4 theta. Sin 5 theta minus, product sin 4 theta. We have a result like this: minus 2 sin A, then sin B, minus 2 sin A sin B. When we are getting this result, this is equal to cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So 2 minus 2 sin A sin B. If we want to find this result, cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. You can refer all these concepts, already we derived everything. Now listen here, we want sin A sin B only. That means sin 5 theta, then sin 4 theta. Here we see here this negative 1 by 2 will be here, minus 1 by 2. Now cos of A plus B. A means here 5 theta, B means here 4 theta. Then minus cos of A minus B. A means here 5 theta, B means here 4 theta. So if you are simplifying, we can get minus half into cos of 4 plus 5, 9 theta. 9 theta this is. Again minus cos of 5 minus 4, we can get theta. Or you can write like this also. This resultant may be write like this. If you are multiplying this negative inside, we can get the result like this. Cos theta minus cos of 9 theta. You can write like this also. Both are same. I am multiplying this negative inside. We can get cos theta, then cos of 9 theta. These are the problems related on the following. Express the following as sum or the difference. So far we worked out 8 problems. In these 8 problems, all the result having either sum or the difference. In all the problems, the given data is product. So if the given data is product, we are able to work out the result as a sum or the difference. In the same model, express the following as the same one. Express the following as the product. This is the next model question. The first one is sum or the difference. Here express the following as the product. Now the result must be in the form of product. Therefore the given is in the form of either products or either addition or subtraction. Now see question number 1 in this model. Sin 75 minus sin 35. Sin 75 minus sin 35. This is the given question. See here difference. So either it may be a addition or it may be a subtraction. Therefore the given data is either sum or the difference. The resultant must be product. See the model, this model. We are having some formula like this. Sin C minus sin D. We are having all these formulas already worked out. Sin C minus sin D. It is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin, that is product with a C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D. So relate with this one. Instead of C we are having 75. Instead of D we are having 35. Now apply the given data directly. Sin 75 minus sin 35, that is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. C is replaced by 75, D is replaced by 35. Therefore 75 plus 35 divided by 2 into again sin C minus D by 2. 75 minus D 35 divided by 2. So if you want to simplify this one, 2 cos, see here 75, 35, we can get 110 divided by 2 here. Then sin 75 minus 35, we can get 40 divided by 2. We can get 40 divided by 2. Now we are able to simplify this one. 2 cos 110 divided by 2, we can get 55. Again sin 20. See the resultant. So express the following as the product. So resultant must be in the form of product. The given is in the form of either addition or subtraction. That is either sum or the difference. So you have to relate the given data. Sin 75, sin 35. You have to relate sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Refer your previous videos. We are having all these applications. Just replace 75, then replace 35, then substitute. Here 75, adding with 35, we can get 110 by 2, we can get 55. Here 75 minus 35, we can get 40, 40 divided by 2, we can get 20. In the same model, so the given is in the form of either addition or subtraction. Therefore, resultant must be in the form of product. So, in the same model, we are having one more question. Cos 65 plus cos 15, cos 65 plus cos 15. Now see, this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. We are having already these formulas, cos C plus cos D. Both the result is cos, means we can get 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is the basic result. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Now C is replaced by 65. Therefore cos 65. D is replaced by 15. That means cos 15 is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2. That means C, instead of C 65, instead of D 15 divided by 2. Then cos C, instead of C 65 minus instead of D 15 divided by 2. If you are simplifying, we can get 2 cos, see here 65, 70, 80. 80 divided by 2. Here cos 65 minus 15, we can get 50 divided by 2. Then simplifying this data, we can get cos 80 by 2, we can get 40. Here cos 50 by 2, we can get 25. So just use the relation 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. When we are adding these two, we can get 80, 80 by 2 means 40. If we are subtracting these two, we can get 50, 50 by 2 equal to 25. See the result. The result is in the form of product. The question is asked, find the result in the form of product. Now see question number 3 here. In the same model. In the same model, work out sin 50 degree plus sin 40 degree. Sin 50 degree plus sin 40 degree. Relate with this one, sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2. Then cos C minus D by 2. So relate with this one, sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Now sin C is replaced by 50, sin D is replaced by 40. Then work out 2 sin C plus D by 2, 50 plus 40, 50 plus 40 divided by 2. Then cos 50 minus 40 divided by 2. If you are simplifying this, we can get 2 sin 90 divided by 2. 2 sin 90 divided by 2. Then cos 50 minus 40, we can get 10 by 2. Then 2 sin this 90 by 2, we can get 45. Then cos 10 by 2, we can get 5. This is the resultant. 2 sin 45, again cos 5. Again listen here. Sin C plus sin D can be added. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. When we are adding these two, we can get 90. 50 plus 40, we can get 90 by 2. Here 50 minus 40, we can get 10 by 2. Then 90 by 2 means 45. Then cos 5. Here we can again simplify this one. Here, how we are able to simplify? 2. Sin 45 is known value from your trigonometric table. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. That is the standard data. Then cos 5. So this 2 and root 2 will be cancelled. We can get root 2 cos 5 degree. Root 2 cos 5. You can leave here itself or you can simplify here also. Now listen, cos 5, sin 45 gets the value 1 by root 2. Then simplify, substitute the data. Here also the result is product, the formation of the product only. In the same model, work out question number 4. Question number 4 is cos 35. Here cos 35 minus cos 75. Cos 35 minus cos 75. It is in the form of cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Now use the application. Instead of C 35 minus instead of D 75. Substitute here minus 2 sin of C plus D. C is 35. D is 75 divided by 2 into sin of C minus D. C is 35 minus D is 75 divided by 2. Now listen carefully here. Minus 2 sin. What is the value here? 35 is adding with the 75. We can get 110. 110 divided by 2. Here sin of 35 minus 75. We can get minus 40 divided by 2. We can get minus 40 divided by 2. Now listen this one. Minus 2 sin 110 divided by 2 equal to, we can get 55. Here sin of 20 with the negative, because we are already negative. Why we are getting negative? 35 is separated with the 70. We can get minus 40. This minus 40 is again divided by 2. We can get 20. See here negative. Sin emits the negative. Therefore, the negative will comes out. Already we are having a negative symbol. Therefore, we can write like this: 2 sin 55, then sin 20. So 2 sin 55, then sin 20. This is the given data cos C minus cos D. So relate everyone with the standard formulas. We are having many formulas. Already we worked out, everything worked out. Just use the concept given cos C minus cos D. Relate with this. Then substitute, simplify. Then carefully watch this one. Sin having negative. Sin emits the negative. That is called sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta means minus sin theta. So this negative will comes out. Already we are having one negative. Here one negative. It will become positive. So 2 sin 55 sin 20. This is question number 4 in this model. Then so relate with the given data and substitute. See question number 5 here. The question number 5 is sin 50 then plus sin 20. Listen students, this is your homework. You have to do. It is in the form of sin C plus sin D. Take, I am giving the formula. You have to substitute sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2. Try yourself. Then cos C minus D by 2. So use this one. Then substitute instead of C5, 50, instead of D 20. Simplify, you can get the result. In the same model. See question number 6 in the same model. Cos 6 theta plus again cos 2 theta. It is also you are able to work out. See this relation cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. What is the resultant of cos C plus cos D? 2 cos C plus D by 2. Then cos C minus D by 2. Use this relation. It is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Instead of C substitute 6 theta, D 2 theta. Try yourself, you can get the resultant. Then in the same model, we have one more question. Cos of 3x by 2. Cos of 3x by 2 minus cos of 9x by 2. Cos of 3x by 2 minus cos of 9x by 2. Just now we discussed. It is in the form of cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2, then sin c minus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2. So again you can substitute that. So cos c minus cos d. Here carefully use, instead of c 3x by 2, instead of d 9x by 2. Substitute here, we can get 2 sin c plus d by 2, instead of c 3x by 2. Again addition means 9x by 2. So simplify that value. Here also 3x by 2 minus 9x by 2. Suppose in this place you can get a negative, that negative will emits. The reason is sign emits the negative. Therefore simplification, if you are doing the simplification, here suppose you are getting negative, that negative will comes out. So you can work out these three problems. Already we discussed the many things. So in this model, this is the type number 2. In first model, we already worked out, express the following as sum or difference. Here, express the following as product. So these are the two relatives. The relatives are nothing but, given is, see, addition or subtraction. So given is addition or subtraction, the resultant must be product. The given is in the form of product, the resultant is sum or the difference. So we are going to apply the same model questions again itself. Listen students, this also the same type of applications. See the numerator, sin c plus sin d. See the denominator, cos c plus cos d. Just now we used many ideas related to this one. So in your numerator, see here, write down the formula sin c plus sin d. Were used many times. Denominator cos c plus cos d. This is the idea you need. So we are going to apply. What is the result of sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2. C means 4x, d means 2x by 2. So 2 sin c plus d by 2. Then cos c minus d. What is the c here? 4x minus 2x divided by 2. Again whole divided by. See the application here. Sin c plus sin d is equal to, this is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2. Sorry, 2 sin c plus d by 2. Then cos c minus d by 2. Already we used it. So 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. In the denominator, it is in the form of cos c plus cos d. It is also we used here. 2 cos c plus d by 2. C is 4x plus 2x by 2. Again cos 4x minus 2x by 2. So here we are using cos c plus cos d idea. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Again listen the datas. 2 numerator, denominator will be eliminated. Here see cos of 4x minus 2x by 2. Here also cos of 4x minus 2x by 2. The numerator and denominator will be same, so we can eliminate that one. See here sin of 4x plus 2x means 6x. 6x is divided by 2, we can get 3x. Denominator again cos 4x plus 2x, 6x divided by 2, we can get 3x. So denominator 3x. See sin by cos, it is equal to tan. So it is equal to tan 3x. That is your result for HS. See, so very simple concept in the exercise. In this exercise, only relate with the given data to the required formula. The numerator is in the form of sin c plus sin d. Then apply the formula. Denominator is in the form of cos c plus cos d. Then apply the formula. After that simplification. See the numerator and denominator having the same result. We can eliminate. Here 2 will be eliminated. The result is sin 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, 3x. Cos 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x. Sin by cos, we can get tan 3x. So this is sin, this is cos, tan 3x. That is the required proof. In the same model, again one more question. Simplify. Same application. simplify sine 75 degree minus sine 15 degree divided by cos 75 degree plus cos 15 degree. See the numerator, sin C minus sin D. Just now we used sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D divided by 2. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. C minus D by 2. Then divided by denominator in the form of cos C plus cos D. So 2 cos, again C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. Again cos C minus D by 2. So reason carefully. Numerator in the form of sin C minus sin D. That you have to relate. Sin C minus sin D. Denominator is in the form of cos C plus cos D. So use the two ideas here. Then 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Denominator 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Now listen, these two will be eliminated. Again see the numerator denominator are the same value. 75 15 by 2, 75 15 by 2, both are cos families, we can eliminate. See there again sin of 75 minus 15. 75 minus 15 means 60. 60 divided by 2, we can get 30. Denominator see cos of, again 75 minus 15, same 60 divided by 2, that is also 30. In the same model, the previous question we have discussed, sin 3x divided by cos 3x, we are writing tan 3x. Instead of tan 3x, we are having the specified value of 30 degree. So sin by cos, we can say tan 30. Sin by cos, we can get tan 30. See, tan 30, well known value from your table, 1 by root 3. So you know the value of tan 30 as 1 by root 3. Listen once again, sin C minus sin D divided by cos C plus cos D. That is your application. Substitute the data. Then simplify. Corresponding formulas. Relate the corresponding formulas. Substitute. See the numerator denominator will be eliminated. 2 will be eliminated. The remaining is sin by cos. On simplification we can get sin by cos. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. In the same model we are having one more question. In this exercise we are relating with the sin C plus sin D, cos C plus cos D, sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D, the same formulas only. Now again prove that this is question number 3 in this model. Sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. So sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x is equal to sin 2x of 1 plus 2 cos x. Sin 2x of 1 plus 2 cos x. Now select your LHS. What is your LHS? Sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. So out of these 3 data you can select any 2. If you are selecting any 2, it is in the form of sin C plus sin D. Here also sin C plus sin D. But it is very important tips. If you are selecting 2 odd numbers, see 1x here, 3x here, it can be simplified very easily. So I can select like this, sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. I can select this one, sin x, sin 3x. 3 additions, sin C plus sin D we required. We are selecting 2 odd numbers. It can be simplified very easily. How? Listen here. Sin x, sin 3x. It is in the form of sin C plus sin D. It is in the form of sin C plus sin D. So if you are adding 2 sin C plus D divided by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2. Again cos c minus d divided by 2. Then one more sin 2x, no change as it is. One more sin 2x, no change. The last one we are using sin c plus sin d for first two data only. So we can add 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now simplify this one. We can get 2 sin 3x adding with 1x, 4x divided by 2. We can get 2x. In the same model, cos of x minus 3x, we can get minus 2x. Minus 2x divided by 2, we can get minus x. Then plus sin 2x. So see here, we are having 2 sin x. Here also 2 sin x common. Therefore, we can take out sin 2x as common. The remaining, see here, 2. What is the meaning of cos of negative? Cos observes the negative. We are using this concept many times. Therefore, cos of minus x means cos x. Cos observes the negative. So we can get 2 cos x. We are taking sin 2x. The remaining is 1. See your proof. Sin 2x outside. 1 plus 2 cos x is nothing but the same one because it is an addition only. So we can write like this. Sin 2x into 1 plus 2 cos x. So sin 2x of 1 plus 2 cos x. Both are same only. So in this concept, use any two odd numbers relations. See sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. I am taking sin x and sin 3x because when we are adding these two, we can get simplified very easily. X plus 3x by 2. That means 4x. 4x by 2. We can get 2x. Here x minus 3x minus 2x again by 2. 2 will be eliminated. We can get minus x. So cos of minus x observes the negative. Therefore, we can get cos x. So, dear students, in this model, you can work out some problems again. So far, we discussed in this topic sin c plus sin d, cos c plus cos d. Again, the relations. Then work out the concept. Then sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b minus. So we can relate all these. Then use the corresponding formulas required and you are able to derive the concept. Thank you.